Hey, welcome back to Modern Performance. I'm Dean, and today I'm here to let you know something very special. My twin brother, Daryl, the one with the long beard, he just got his parts ticket. So he's already a certified auto mechanic, but now he got his parts ticket, so he's a certified Partsman Red Seal. And so to celebrate that, I'm going to sabotage the garage. So from Halloween last year, we have a whole bunch of Fun Dip left over. So I've got this nice little note and this Fun Dip NASCAR, the Fun Dip Ford. I don't know if you've seen him race, but we have a nice little message that says, Daryl, now you're done school, it's time for some fun. Let the search begin. So we'll just leave this right there where it's super obvious. And as you can see, these are numbered. So we numbered them correctly, 1 to 34. So let's start hiding. Some will be obvious. He uses this one all the time. Oh, shoot. If he needs to use these, then he's having a real bad day. He needs some extra fun when he's using those. Oh no, doesn't really fit. There we go. Lots of room for Fun Dip in there. The thread restoring set. This is also when he needs some extra fun. Bushing driver set. Ooh, disc brake caliper set. Fun Dip everywhere. Oh, compression tester. Let's just leave this one out in the wild right there. Oh, it just opens like that. Is that the last one? Is that all?
Oh, there's about 15 more that don't get to be on camera.
Oh yeah. So, alrighty. Well, happy searching, Daryl. Whenever you need a little dose of fun, I'm sure you'll find it as you're working on vehicles, and I hope to be around when some of these get found as well. So, on that note, if it ain't broke, go drive it.